everyone. I was feeling like we hadn't done a science experiment in a while, so I thought we'd do one today. It's called magic water. Ooh, that sounds intriguing, magic water. All you need is a big bowl filled with water and a glass. I have a little jelly jar. You could use what you have at your house. And you need to make sure that the jar can go in the water and be covered up, so none of the glass is poking out of the water. It's filled up. I'm going to take it out for now. So a bowl of water, a jar, and a little bit of food coloring. You don't have to have the food coloring, but I think it makes it more fun. So I'm going to put a few drops of food coloring in my water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that. I'm going to find this pen that I have handy on my desk. I forgot to bring a stirrer. You might want to have a spoon or something. I'm just going to swirl the food coloring into the water. Ooh, now I have pretty green water. Great. Fantastic. So that's the first step. You get your bowl full of water and your jar and your food coloring, and you put your food coloring in your water. Now, here's the experiment part. Take your glass and lay it on its side in the water and let it go all the way down to the bottom till it's completely submerged. Submerged means underwater all the way. And your jar or glass should be full of water with no air in there. I put it in on its side, and all the air in my glass was able to come out as it went under the water. Now, here's the fun part. This is where the magic happens. You ready? I'm going to take my jar and turn it upside down. Notice I'm keeping the part of the jar that's open all the way submerged under the water. Then, you ready? What do you think's going to happen when I lift my glass up? What do you think? Do you think the water is going to stay in the glass or just all fall out? Do you have a prediction? Let's try it and see. I'm going to lift it up. Can you see? My jar, my glass still has green water in it. What? Even though I'm lifting it up, the rest of the water is still down in the bowl, but my glass is still full of water. What? That is like magic. How does that happen? Look, I can move it over here. You can really see when it's in front of my white t-shirt. You can see there's still green water in there. That is amazing. It works because there's air pressure pushing down on the surface of the water in the bowl, and it's pushing it down up into my cup or my glass. But look, I'm going to keep lifting it up. I wonder what will happen when the part of my glass that's open, which is the top of the glass usually, but now it's on the bottom. Wonder what will happen when that comes up above where the water ends. Let's see. Once that air pressure got broken, got interrupted, gravity took over and made the water fall back down. I think I want to try it again. I'm going to add a little more food coloring so it might be even easier to see the water in the glass. I'm going to add maybe 3 more drops. 1, 2, 3. I love watching food coloring disperse into the water. I love watching it all swirly whirly. Then I'm going to stir it. Woo! It's dissolving, dispersing in the water. All right, now it's a little bit greener. It might be easier to see. All right, I'm going to submerge my glass again, put it on its side so all the air can come out. Oh, I made a bloop. That's a fun sound. All right, it's all the way under. Now I'm going to tip it so that what's usually the top of the glass is down on the bottom. You can see, if you put my shirt in front of it, you can see that the glass that's sticking out has green water in it. I'm going to pull it up. Ooh, you can see that green water. So cool. So fun. I'll do it one more time real quick. I could do this all day. I bet you could even do this in the bathtub. You wouldn't have colored water probably in there, but you could do it with a glass in the bathtub. That might be fun to play with. Boo, there it is. I'm lifting water up like magic. So cool. Well, I hope you, I hope you try this magic water experiment at your house. Again, you just need a bowl with some water in it, a little food coloring if you want to color your water, and a see-through glass. I have a little jam jar. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you soon.